Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now.
Gusto ko lang magpa-aircon sa loob. But yeah, I'm happy to be by the beach. And grabe, ang ganda ng view. Hi everyone, welcome to another travel vlog. I'm still here in Thailand. It's my 5th day here, but I'm not in Bangkok anymore. I'm in Pattaya City, and I'll be staying here for 1 day only. Actually, day trip lang to. And actually, right now, I'm here in the Sanctuary of Truth. The main reason why I went to here sa Pattaya. I'll just give you guys a quick walkthrough on how I got here sa Pattaya. So from Bangkok, pwede kayong pumunta sa Eka May bus station, and then doon, meron kayong dalawang option. You can use the bus or the van. Hindi ko na inabutan yung bus. And parang 1 hour yung hihintayin ko pag doon ako sa bus sasakay. So, buti na lang may nahanap akong van. Kaso ang nangyari, sira yung aircon ng van na natapat sa akin. So, inaayos pa nila. Mga 30 minutes din yun. Kaso hindi naayos. So, they had to transfer us sa kasunod na van. So, parang hinintay pa namin yung departure time talaga nung van na nilipatan namin. So, parang mga 7:30 na kami nakaalis instead of like 6:30. Tapos, ayun, okay naman yung biyahe. And then, around 2 hours, parating na ako dito. So, ngayon ay 10:10. Nandito ngayon sa entrance, I'll just buy a ticket and then I'll start the tour. I just wanted to start the vlog properly. I'm excited to see what's inside and also explore Pattaya, and I'll bring you guys with me. Tara.
Thank you. One ticket na English 1340. Now we are here. You can go straight and to left. Will you find me the guy there?
Okay.
3 minutes walk.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. So I got my ticket for 500 baht. And mabilis lang yung pagbili ng tickets, guys. So siguro kahit masaktuhan yun na maraming tao doon, maraming mag-a-assist sa inyo, may mga staff na lalapit sa inyo habang nakapila kayo to guide you and give you tickets. And ayun, may oras lang yung kanilang tours. So English tour na punta sa akin, and 10:40 pa siya. So I have to wait for around 30 minutes pa. So siguro if you have a strict itinerary for your Pattaya day trip, make sure to take note of the tour schedules para masaktuhan nyo yung time slots nila. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko for 30 minutes, to be honest. Hindi ko alam, baka naman may mabibilhan na pagkain, baka bumili ako ng snacks. I don't wanna eat a full meal because ang plan ko is mag-lunch ako sa The House of Benedict, yung parang sikat na cafe restaurant dito sa Pattaya. So I'll share with you guys the tour schedules. Very considerate na they have different languages. So if you guys are going here, make sure to take note of the schedules. Guys, ang ganda. Look. Hi guys! So our guided tour around the Sanctuary of Truth just finished, and nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng Sanctuary of Truth. May area sila dito where you can buy drinks, eat food, and also just sit and relax after the tour, especially kung mainit. I would just like to take this time to rest drink. Actually, gutom na ako, pero plan ko kasi sa labas na kakain. So, drinks muna yung binili ko. This is pandan juice for 40 baht. So, habang nagpapahinga ako dito sa area na to, I just wanna share with you some of my quick thoughts about the Sanctuary of Truth. Since ito nga yung parang main reason bakit ako pumunta dito sa Pattaya. Alam niyo, unang tingin ko pa lang sa kanya malapitan. Parang sabi ko, worth it na agad yung 2 hours na biyahe. Sobrang na-appreciate ko lang din talaga yung kung paano siya ginawa. And then yung attention nila to detail. Parang bawat tingin mo, may bago kang makikita. There's a new story, there's a new character, there's a new motive. Ayun. May nagpatak. Nabasa. Hindi ko alam. Pero ayun, parang yun nga, sabi ko kanina, bawat tingin mo, there's something new to see. Ang hindi ko lang ma-imagine is yung parang logistics behind this museum. And yun pala, I know parang common misconception na temple siya, but it is actually a museum. And hindi rin siya ganun kaluma. It's around 40 years old lang. Akala ko din dati lumang-luma na siya. Maybe because, yun nga, it's made of wood. And mukha din talaga siyang luma. But ayun, I highly recommend if you have time, if you're going to Bangkok, I highly recommend going here, even if it's just for a day trip. Or maybe you can stay for a night or two if marami kayong time. And ayun, sobrang na-appreciate ko lang din talaga itong pagpunta ko dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. And then after this, I'll just take more videos. Hi guys! So nandito na ako ngayon sa House of Benedict, my second itinerary for my Pattaya trip. And hindi ko na kayo na isama during my biyahe. Kasi nag-bolt lang naman ako. So after ng tour, nag-picture lang ako, nag-video. And then nagsakay ako ng Bolt around 130 pesos. 130 baht going here. Definitely mas mura if may kasama kayo. Ang agenda ko lang dito is to eat lunch, check out the place, and so far I really like the place. Pero kakain muna ako guys, gutom na ako. I ordered crispy pork with fried rice. So bale, itong House of Benedict, technically it is made for Instagram post. Pero ang ginawa nila is parang siyang may mga restaurants, may bar, and may cafe from what I can see. But the entire building is made to look like, or the entire building's purpose is for Instagram photos. And so far, maganda talaga siya. And even though for Instagram siya, hindi naman siya mukhang corny. Maganda pa rin yung place. And you know na pinag-isipan naman nila. I'll tour you guys around. I'll just eat first kasi gutom talaga ako. But yes, that's my update for now. And kain muna tayo. Tara, let's eat! Sinabi nilang crispy pork. Crispy talaga guys. Alam mo guys, sabi ko, sana pala nagdala ko ng pampalit na damit. Kasi diba, nag-picture na ako sa Wat Arun. Tapos syempre nag-picture ulit tayo dito. Sabi ko, iba naman sana ng damit para lang iba sa picture. Pero bawal pala guys. May rules sila na bawal magdala ng pampalit na damit. Which is gets naman. Kasi feeling ko if ever other businesses might use the place for commercial purposes. Diba? O syempre, halimbawa, iba-iba yung damit ng tao, hindi na sila babalik. Hello! So, umorder ako ng honey lemon soda. Dapat maglo-longgan juice lang ako, mas mura yun. Kaso wala yung seller, wala yung nagtitinda. Nag-restroom break, naghintay ako ng almost 10 minutes. Hindi siya bumabalik. So, ayun. Napa-order ako dun sa cafe. And also, don't mind yung buhok ko kasi ganyan talaga yung buhok ko kapag naipit ng cap or ng helmet. Di ba naka-helmet ako kanina sa Sanctuary of Truth. But this is the House of Benedict. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. This is the House of Benedict. Malawak siya actually, hindi ko in-expect. Hi guys! So, ayun. Ginagamit ko na lang na props yung drinks ko. But this is the top view of the House of Benedict. And bawat section na yan, iba't ibang photo spots. And there's even like a mini pool over there na ipayate. Also, hindi kami mag-picture dito even if you're a solo traveler because everyone is here to take photos. So everyone's minding their own business. Walang pakialaman.
Spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said? I'll never know. I'll never know. 1, 2, 3. Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make this quick before matunaw yung kape ko. But I'm currently here in Saloba by the sea. It's in the city center of Pattaya. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng place, I want to visit. So parang siyang rooftop cafe. It's actually a group of restaurants, cafes, and they share the same space. And they have this amazing view of the sea. Awan ko kung anong beach to, Pattaya Beach. But yeah, I ordered sand coffee. Ang social, no? Nakalagay ay before sunrise, bergamot, berry, herb-like aftertaste, and long sweet aftertaste. I can definitely taste the herb. Feeling ko lang medyo na-water down na siya ng ice. But still a good cup of coffee. This is one of their signature coffee before sunrise. It's a sand coffee. So parang I think they cook or like they, ano tawag dito? Basta parang they prepare the espresso shot na nakalubog din sa sand. I definitely have a video of that. And then you get to pour it sa coffee. And actually, masarap yung coffee nila. Ano lang, medyo feeling ko natunaw na yung ice. Kaya medyo nawala na siyang lasa. Pero, gets ko yung parang concept nila ng coffee tea siya. Kasi I definitely taste the tea. Yun lang. I just take some cute photos here. Hindi ko alam kung magpapabot ako ng sunset kasi ang taas pa ng araw. I-figure out ko pa kung pwedeng mag-picture dun sa table na yun nang hindi nagbabayad. Hi guys! So malapit ko nang maubos and buti na wala na rin yung araw. Medyo maulap na ulit. So hindi na super init dito sa labas. Which is nice because gusto kong i-enjoy yung view habang nandito ako sa Pattaya since one day lang ako. So I'd rather be outside. Though gusto ko lang magpa-aircon sa loob. And wala lang, sabi ko kasi gusto ko talagang pumunta sa isang coastal city kasi if you watch my Taiwan vlog, I also went to another coastal city which is Keelung, and now I'm here sa Pattaya which is another coastal city which I really love. And I don't paano ko ba explain tong place na to. It kind of reminds me of like Morocco or like basta parang ganoon yung vibes niya, especially with the parang tapestries on the ceiling. So ayun, uuwi rin ako tonight. Hindi ko lang sure kung anong oras. Iniisip ko pa kung susulitin ko yung oras ko dito sa Pattaya since yun nga, one day lang naman ako. Or uwi ang maaga para di ako gabihin. So far, napunta ko na naman yung gusto kong puntahan. Actually, may isa pa akong cafe na gustong puntahan. Hindi ko lang alam kung puntahan ko pa. Which is yung parang rooftop cafe. But let's see. Hi guys! So I'm really happy na nawala yung araw at maulap kasi that means I get to explore Pattaya habang maliwanag pa. And I really want to explore yung dagat. Gusto ko sana maglakad-lakad sa dagat and I'll be able to do that kasi nga wala nang araw. So hinintay ko lang na makatawid ako. Pwede ba tumawid dito? Parang hindi nagre-red yung ano. So tatawid na lang ako, dagat na siya. I'll just explore. And then siguro habang naglalakad, I'll decide kung pupunta pa ako ng isa pang cafe or hindi na. Ang ganda ng dagat. Share ko lang na may special place sa heart ko ang dagat. Ang arte pakinggan, pero that's true. Gusto ko lang talagang makakita ng dagat. And ayan na oh. Wow! I mean, of course, I've seen better beaches. Kasi, ano ba, taga-Pilipinas tayo. But, kahit anong dagat pa yan, I always love seeing it. And actually, marami nagsiswimming. And maganda na naman yung, buhangin nila. Hindi siya brown or black. Actually, maganda yung dagat nila. And marami rin nagsiswimming. So, I guess, it's safe and clean enough para mag-swimming. Awan ko ba, there's something relaxing kapag nasa tabi ng dagat. I mean, I think that's a general experience naman. But yeah, I'm happy to be by the beach during this trip. Though I don't have naman plans talaga mag-swimming. Naalala ko nung nasa Taiwan, yung nagpunta akong Keelung, meron sila doong ocean pool. Alam niyo yung mga pool na mismong nasa dagat yung pool. And plano ko talaga magsiswimming ako noon. Kaso parang maaga din ako umalis noon. Nalimutan ko magdala. Ingit na ingit ako sa mga nagsiswimming nung nandun ako. But yeah, just walk around the shore. Magmumuni-muni. And enjoy the beach. Yun lang, bye!
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walk down street, she At 3 a.m. that night, under palm tree lights, for the first time I came alive when summer died. I didn't want it to close its eyes on me. I shook off every warning. Sometimes you gotta know when to say goodbye. It didn't hurt at first, singing every word, but when I finally cut through blurry lines, I was horrified. Raining in my room, been that way since June. By the time it dried, I came alive and summer died. Let's just wake you.
Hi everyone, so I'm currently here at Fundamental Specialty Coffee sa Arbor Hotel. And grabe, ang ganda ng view. I really love their view. And then I also like their matcha. They offer specialty coffee here. I bet it would be nice if sunset kayo pupunta dito. Super ganda siguro ng view. You get to see Pattaya Beach. And then on this side is more of the city. And also, it's not too crowded. But maybe it's because it's a low season here. I'm not sure if it gets crowded, but I recommend you guys go here if you have extra time here in Pattaya and you want to try specialty coffee and matcha. And of course, if you want to have this amazing view of Pattaya City and the beach.
There's a memory in my head, it's somewhere buried in a mess. You touched me and how could I forget what brought me to you? There was something about the light, the way that it crashed into your eyes. My whole life started on that night, and I never knew. But every stop sign, every sunrise, every goodbye, everything that I felt with somebody else. Every long day, every heartbreak down the line, it was worth it. 'Cause everything that I do, all of it leads me to you. Long as I live, this much is true. All of it leads me to you. There's a voice inside my head that tells me that I'll just make a mess, but you kissed me and how could I forget?